Hello everyone, welcome to our Adult Craft and Create video, formerly known as Monthly Craft Club. My name is Lena and I'm from the Sun City Library. Today I will show you how to make our newest project, Shy Bunny in a Pot. The materials you will need are listed down below and can also be found in the description box. Okay, let's start. Before we begin working with fabric and cotton, if you'd like to paint your pot, please do so. Paint a little bit on the inside of the lid too. Let's make the body of the bunny. A big puffball and a small pom-pom works best. But if you don't have these, we can use regular cotton balls instead. We're going to glue in between the 4 cotton balls. Most of the glue will be in the center. And glue the side enough to stabilize it. I found that the cotton balls were really sticky, so I'm going to put it on a smooth surface like wax paper. You don't want any glue poking out of the cotton. When it dries, it'll be unpleasant to touch. Let the glue dry a little bit before smoothing out the edges. For the tail, go ahead and cut 1/3 of the 5th cotton ball. You can shape it to make it rounder before gluing it on top of the 4 cotton balls. We want something to fill the bottom of the pot. Here I'm going to use recycled scrap paper. I'm going to ball up the scrap paper and glue them together in the pot. When you have a couple at the bottom, you can grab your fake flower and adjust the stem as needed. Make sure that the flower is leaning against the pot. Test it out, and when you're satisfied, you can keep on filling the pot with scrap paper. Put down flat pieces of paper on top of the scrap paper balls below to avoid getting any glue on the bunny as you test it out. When you're satisfied of how much your bunny is sticking out, you can glue everything together. But make sure not to glue the bunny to the side of the pot. I drew a couple of feet and measured it against the pot. Once you're happy with the size, trace it out on white felt. I've included the size of the feet in the instructions, which will be linked in the description box. It is recommended that you trace with something light, but I just have a pen with me right now. Make sure that the outline is completely cut out. The feet will be a little bit above the lip of the pot and onto the body. Now we're going to cut out the feet pads. Test it out to see if you're happy with how it fits on the foot. You can use this piece as a reference instead of tracing. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and glue it on. Cut out the toe pads too and start gluing them on. Make sure that they fit. Cut out triangles out of the green felt. Test them out in the pot. I'm pretty happy with this arrangement, so I'm going to start gluing. I found that it is tricky gluing the felt with the cotton right next to it. So for you all at home, maybe consider using a toothpick so you won't need to remove the felt and put it back. And here is what your final project may look like. Thank you for watching. If you like this project, consider signing up for our live Zoom sessions. The registration link will be down below in the description box. Consider following our social media for more projects and programs. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!